So, welcome back to another Random Hobby Channel! Di ko alam kung bakit paputol-putol, pero try ulit natin. Tuloy-tuloy sa pagpo-post ng shorts. Bombarding to your station by Synthetic Burst, Night Luminary, Grav Kill, Sinister Cryologist, Radiant Strike, Melstrider's Gear, Lightless Evangel, Usuros Scanship, Hemosimbic Might, Alfate Stalker, Pinnacle Emissary, okay, Halia, Ascendant Cadet, Mountain, Lander, o pala. So, Kamigawa, ang ina mo. Lorwyn Eclipse, medyo pass. Teenage Mutant, lalong pass tayo dyan. Camis Flare, Motokay Ambusher, Izumi Blesser, Synthesizer, Mnemonic Sphere, Moth Rider Patrol, Grafted Growth, Papercraft Decoy, You Are Already Dead, Year of Enlightenment, Hand of Enlightenment, Containment Construct, Weekend Awareness, Prosperous Thief, Lighthouse Emperor. Nice land. Nice. Magbibitin tayo yung tatlo lang mabubuksan natin Xiaomi Amoy. Pala. Guardians of Oboro. Fang of Shigenki. Hero of Ancient Fang. Ambitious Assault. Spill Pierce. Wandering Transgression. Kami. Dramatis Puppet. Kami of Restless Shadows. Long's Reach of the Night. Roaring Earth. Gloom Shrieker. Izumi Prowler. Jin Gitaxias. Nice. Jungle Hollow. And next, Drysish Sekunden. Xiaomi Amoy. H-Seed. Webblade Enhancer. Grav Kill ulit. Mechanozoa. Pangolin. Wayfarer. Shieldmate. Sentinel. Silencer. Thrust Exile. Strike Vanguard. Trajectory. Frenzied Balos! So, yun lang.